I'm the real Kamogelom, and my smile strengthens me. Ooh, I think the lighting is so much. Good morning, Survivor Squad. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Kamogelom Mashiro, and I'm possibly living with HIV. Kina girlfriend of Mr. L. And then a friend of mine said to me, hey, when you introduce a vlog or a video, also add kina friend ya Annalie. So kina mama Khanzo, kina girlfriend of Mr. L, and kina friend ya Annalie. Guys, today it's a Saturday. Yeah, and I just woke up not so long, I think like 10 minutes ago, and I decided that let me start this vlog because I'm planning to clean and change the curtains, and then we will change all the frames. It's a mohodimo, and then I also want to change the duvet. Like I bought new curtains, and so all of those people that would never must buy frontal. I did not listen to you guys. Yeah, so yeah, I want to do that. I'm just quickly gonna go wash my face, brush my teeth, and come and well, I'll see. I'll make food, and then I'll start. Yeah, I'll start changing. So I hope that you're going to enjoy this video. It's a spend a day with me, ne? Yes, what else? I did not welcome my returning subscribers. Welcome to my returning subscribers, guys. I love you and I appreciate you so much. Thank you for liking, for the comments, for the engagement that you always, and also for sharing, for those who are sharing. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. You know yourselves, lona vale comment lona vale sharang, lona vale like lona. I'm speaking about you guys. And also please do not skip the ads. To my new subscribers, we do not skip the ads here. When you see an ad, you leave it to play until it finishes. Ne? That's what we do here. So thank you so much, and I hope that you're gonna enjoy this vlog. Spend a day with me, and I will catch you guys later.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know you below me. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come wife me slowly.
Hi guys. Bye. You see through the storm, I won't fake me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look through it. I'm here 'cause I love you. Hold you for life. Ay, bueno man. Ay! wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride. Every single moment, hold you for life. So tight, coming closer.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. But said, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find a piece of advice. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. If you get sour, come on, pass it down. I go just para, come on, my jigger. I go just stay, follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm fucking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe. You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space. My heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body. Listen. Keep your hands on me.
Hey guys, it is later on in the day. I am so exhausted, but yeah, I just quickly want to show you guys the curtain. Yeah, it came out beautifully and I like it. Yes, I like it. My bed is a mess, okay, so please don't judge. What's happening? What is this? Okay, so this is the curtain, you guys. Please do not mind my laundry there. It came out nicely. So yeah, I also added these here, but I wanted to buy so I want to go pep home, but they were a little bit pricey. Yeah, it was just out of my budget. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go buy those ones, go pep home. Yeah, I'll get those. Yeah, so comment down below and tell me what you think of the room, what you think of the new color curtains and my little frames here. But yeah, I will get new ones. I'll budget dealer and then go get anyway. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you did not skip the ads. I'm covering my mouth, guys, because it's this thing and irritator. Hey, this yeah, king, this blister here on my mouth, it's irritating me so much. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on episode 5. Yes, I'll see you guys on episode 5 of VlogTober. I'm really enjoying this, even though it's a lot of work, you guys. Oh Lord, mereko. Yeah. If you are doing VlogTober, tell me down on comment section, how is it going? That will also allow other people that didn't know you have a channel to know that you've got a channel, to check you out. Yeah, comment down below and tell me how is it going with VlogTober. Thank you so guys so much. I will see you on my next
But you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were done.